Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? What's going on? Crassus here, and it is time for some Saturday Will of Grimm. Here we go. What is good? Happy Saturday. All right. Let's do this thing. Let's keep going, keep working. We are going to add in a new realm. We generate some quick art for it. This. I'm going to call this okay. I like the first one a lot. All right. Almost. Do 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 do. Weird. Cool. I'm gonna call this location it's gonna be called it's gonna be called Graveyard. Okay. Make a new realm. Call it Graveyard. This is going to be add a 10 attack Add a 10 attack power. Undead Abomination. Each side. Okay. So we'll change this from go to realm names. Add in graveyard. Oh, you can do it, Cress. Graveyard. Okay. Well, we're waiting. Graveyard. There. Now, when graveyard gets turned over, same way Wishing Well does. A quick card. Okay, face graveyard. So, as long as it counts less than 4, 100%. Create a quick card. Not a random card though. Graveyard is going to be a new card called Undead Abomination. It's a token. You can't collect it. Mm-hmm. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Now the third one. It's very Earl King. Try not to do the same one. I think we take 2. And 1's creepier looking. I don't like 1 more, but this looks like a penis. Maybe we take 2. This is very jokery. Doom, doom, doom. editor. Call this Undead Abomination. No ability. Just roar. War. Okay. 6. You can't turn off this collectible. That's interesting. I don't know how I screwed that. I don't know how I screwed that one up, but I did. One or two. Oh, that's one more. That one's done. Undead bomb. Go. Collect. Cool. It needs a query, a quick card, and this is going to be find card. Card names dot undead. Find card within the game object. That's perfect. So instead of random card, find the find card. This guy. Yep. Cool. Test that. Let's see if the graveyard works. On square, graveyard it is. The Rum not get, did the Rum not get his thing? Did set it. Yeah, it's set. Play status. No reference to. Oh. Your manager revealed wrong then, child. see the issue there. So I guess we'll start the game from the main menu instead. I have a thing for that. I think I had a thing for that. Play scene. Static, right? All right. Why didn't this ability go off? No kidding. I know why. What's up? How you doing, Water Tart? Good to see you. What's new? Good. Now it'll work great. Come on, try it. No? Don't know good? And that abomination does not count. That abomination. Where is its... Where's the scriptural logic? There it is. Oh. Damn it. Unbelievable. I am doing good, man. Doing real good. Tomorrow starts the Crascation. A full week of not doing game dev on stream and just playing games. So I have to figure out what list of games I want to try, because I figure I want to play a different game maybe every day. Unless the game is beatable. I haven't had a week-long vacation like that in a long time, so that'll be nice. Graveyard. Where is it? Where's the card? I don't see him. He said, that's weird. He says he's there, but I don't see him. Why is he not visible? What? Is it a Z? Why is it Z at negative 2000? Is that a prefab problem? That's new. Is it that? I mean, maybe. There's no way that was the issue, though, right? If that was the issue, then that was interesting for sure. And it's a UI element anyway. Doesn't make any sense. Graveyard. Hey, why doesn't this one get played? All cards played this turn player. Oh. Well, that's a little weird, isn't it? Opponent deck. Whoopsie. So I think that's the problem with the wishing well too then. Why doesn't his go off? Like, why did his card not get played? Understand. Also, because Handless Maiden was played by me. Oh, it's weird. Okay, okay. So, first real issue is this says player deck. Right? So that's fixed. Second real issue is why don't we flip the card. This is this is not an invoke. It's not an IE numerator. I can make it an IE numerator though. I think we should. Great quick card. So this is this. Here. Right? So it's create quick card. And it's not going to be a random card, it's going to be this guy. Frog token. Create quick card. Wait. What card requires a card name? Yeah. Okay. Player deck. Add card to player C. Flip card. This is for the opponent. So, this goes down here. And it goes inside this POI. Yeah. Some bugs that exist. Easy things to fix though. Or things that would be bugs. Before we even know about it, right? This is this, and it just needs to become add card to opponent instead. Let's see, false, false. Add card to opponent and opponent deck. Okay. We're not going to flip cards until we place all of the frogs, right? So, just flipping the card does add it to the if card was played, realm, coil, kingdom, activate invoke effects. Okay. So if we don't play a card, so okay. Now this card play action occurs. We still update the game board. We definitely still want to update the game board. Definitely still want that. Just don't want to be adding cards. Turn. Yes. So now Frog Kingdom should do this. It's funny that I found this bug when I was trying to figure out other things. Yeah, that's how that works though, right? We definitely want to flip the cards instead. After all of these locations have been flipped, or after all the locations have been done, then we're going to go through how do we figure out whether we're flipping player first or not? Oh, if game turn manager is instance is player winning game. For loop. Game turn manager cards to be played by player. The count. Game turn manager to be played by player. Did I not set up a thing like flip player cards? Is that not a thing? Initialize end turn. Show card backs. Okay, all POIs active. If players winning game, play player cards. You have a thing. I do have a thing. Okay. If player winning game turn manager, instance not start coroutine, play player cards. This protection level is inaccessible. Okay. Where's the opponent was? There we go. Okay. That. This needs to be an IE numerator. So we can do at the end of this. At the end of this, we can do yield, return, new, wait for seconds, game turn manager, wait between things. Okay, so now, back up here, Fraud Kingdom. If players winning game. Then we do cards are flipping, right? So in flip card, turn on this. Card play action occurring false. What about inside? Card play action occurring. Okay. Go between things. We're just gonna do this. It's to be yield return, new, wait while. Game turn manager occurring. Flipping action occurring. Cool. Followed by one of these. Play opponent. Sick. Okay. Else. Okay. And then I thought I had this somewhere else. I do have this somewhere else. This needs to be instead. This needs to be its own thing. There's extract method. No, I can't just extract the method. We're gonna call this. Call this reveal cards. Okay. Reveal cards. Okay. It's a coroutine. Okay. Okie dokie. Start coroutine. Reveal cards. Okay. Now I can call that instead of trying to do extra random things. Okay. This will instead be game turn manager instance start coroutine. Game turn manager instance reveal card. Okay. Instead of flip card. Alright, so then we do this. Same thing here. Boop. Graveyards, same thing here. Don't flip the cards. Cards going to be flipped because they're going to be revealed anyway. Okay. Hollow, Bravo, Mystery Chest, okay, Treasure Trove. Fumbling Crypt, no. Garden Dark Forest. They were okay. The graveyard, and then we can also do Frog Kingdom if we want to. It didn't work. Why didn't it work? No errors. Just didn't. No errors. Just didn't work. Always fun. It didn't work there either. Nice. Well done, Crest. Okay, so Frog Kingdom. We're gonna add a quick card to opponent to the create a quick card, add it to that location. Okay, so let's go like this. Clearly, you are the issue, right? At least one of them, at least somehow. Oh, I know why. Our coroutine. Well, that would make sense, wouldn't it? Okay. Fixed it. It works now. He's amazing! Forest. Graveyard. Froggy Kingdom. And look at that. Unbelievable. White Shroud? The White Shroud will give the Abomination 12. Oh, why did he... Oh, he took 2 health. Shoot, that was a bad call. I don't know, the frogs come in. That was a weird one. Okay. Alright, so you play by player. You play by opponent. Okay, so we have duplicate stuff here, which is bad. We need to, at the end of revealing the cards, right? So we can do a yield, return, new, wait while. Card reveals, right? Game turn manager occurring, card flipping action occurring, and then we will clear. Then cards played by player. Game turn manager. Cards to be played. Clear. This is one of those things where I can refactor this. Right? Hello. Bummer. Okay. 10 power, a done damn, and abomination to each side. Perfect. Now, crumples. This is town square. Supposed to be Frog Kingdom. Oh my god. Should work. It looks like it's working though. Wishing Well? See if Wishing Well works. Wishing Well. Ah. Dorina. Okay. Ooh. All right. All right, and we have another one for the garden. We're gonna boost all cards in your hand's attack power by 2. So one more realm. One more realm. The realms of realms. Work on this realm over here. The garden. Is that taken already? No, stop it. It's already in the garden. Nice. I just don't have a thing for it yet. Oh, that's great. That's great. Okay, so now the garden. When the garden is revealed, the reveal realm, reveal realm info, on play status. Okay. Alright. So now, case the garden. Okay. Alright, so the garden. Let's do a 4 game turn manager player deck. dot cards in hand. Okay. Game turn manager, player deck, dot cards in hand, I dot attack power plus equals 2. Do the same thing for the opponent deck, but this is going to be in for loop. So we'll just have to go like this. I'll do opponent deck. Really just going to buff cards in the hand. That's different. It's just different. Okay. We can do now. We can do one called the garden. Right. Let's do the garden. We'll do the Evergarden and the garden. The garden. Give all cards in your hand plus 2 attack power. Okay. Two new realms are not a bad thing. All it does is create more chaos. And then things don't cooperate even more. Be right back, guys. 2 minutes. I'm back. You miss me? Okay. Garden, invoke. Okay. All right. So, realm manager. There's now 25 realms in the game. Wow. Path 2 and the garden. Put this in here like that. This should work. There it did. Nice. We need to delay a small amount of time for the garden so that it is doing its stuff. I think we have a realms doing something. Do. Pick realm. Reveal realm info. Reveal realm art. That's what it is. Okay. 2.25. Do a little bit more time on that. Okay. Yield. Okay, I see. I would have loved to make it. I think I might have set this up wrong. I would have loved to make this an action. This is an action system, so that when it needs to play, it plays the realm. The realm gets added to an action queue, which then a draw card gets sent to the action queue, and like all this stuff happens like that. So that way, when I play cards, I'm literally adding this to the action queue. I hit end turn. It turns this card over, turns over their cards, goes and then sets the to go to the next turn in the action queue, and then that would be good instead of doing it the way I'm doing it, but it's okay. I think I might have just mumbled a bunch. I think I might have just completely made gibberish there. Whoa. Chill out a little bit, Marple Stelzkin. It's okay. Mysterious Glade, you say? Fumbling got me, man. Puss in Boots? Draw some weird stuff. Woodcutter. Oh, Earl King. Okay, so Rumpelstiltskin is counteracted by Earl King. We are going to go. Do we go? I don't think we go Shroud now here, do we? I think we play the Woodcutter, which draws 2 of the highest cards in our deck. Right? With the strongest cards in our deck. So we've got a lot of cards now. Okay, so let's play Cinderella. No. Want to put Cinderella here? We could. They have 6 cards in their hand. So, Puss in Boots is killing it right now. He's killing it. King Thrushbeard. Okay. Why does he have 4 health? I don't think I know that answer. Alright, so Cinderella. Oh, is that? That's gonna put. That's bad. That's real bad, isn't it? Why is that buffing? Who did that buff? Rumpelstiltskin? Shouldn't be buffing him at all. That's weird. Why did he get buffed twice? Why is Rumpli getting buffed? Okay. We are going to play Cinderella here, and we'll play Peasant. I'm unsure why why Rumpelstiltskin got buffed. Ooh, this is a Fury deck. Okay, Stepmother's still not played correctly. Time a card loses health. No cards have lost health yet. The Wolf. The Wolf's a super buff on this one. Okay, we might win. Oh. You win! Okay. We're almost... Oh, we're so close to level 1. Or should we be level 1? 100. We didn't level up. Why not? Or do we actually exactly hit 100? It has to equal... It has to... Aha, I see. I see. We should be level 1. Will that update to level 1? Nope. It will not. That's odd. Current XP is the same as max XP right now, which means that it should trigger. Reference only happens if you set this. So if you set this, current XP, when you load it, current XP equals. She. Problem solved. Now it should be level 1. Ta-da! Cool. When you level up, set this. Cool. Cool. Oh, it did set it. It did set it. It said it. We're good. We're good. Nice. Okay. So now the stepmother does not send the card over correctly compared to how everything else is doing it. Because apparently this is like the way to do it now. Add quick card. Right? This thing? This is the stepmother way. This is the do everything way. I gotta find stepmother. I gotta find Cinderella. She's in here somewhere, man. Match Girl, Hansel Gretel, Huntsman, White Shroud, Lara. There it is. There it is. This right here. Boom. Shakalaka, ding dong. Okay, found it. Not that. Okay. If this realm opponent cards. Cool. Alright. Great quick card. Not random card. It's gonna be find card. Card names. Dot stepmother. Right? And the opponent's side. And it's gonna be this realm. Dot add. Cool. Flip the card. We don't want to clear this. We just want to remove just that card. Right. Dot remove. Card item. C. Okay. Something like that. It might fix it. We'll see. Create a quick card for player card. No. Player deck. Player deck, add card to player. Deal cards. Card flipping action occurring. Card to be played by player. Okay. It should be okay then. We might have fixed Cinderella, which is awesome. We did. Earl of Grimm. Did we fix Cinderella? Did we fix it? Whoa! Random cards, you get 2 Goose Girls. Should we have a way of not getting the same card twice? That's some bad luck, isn't it? Like, how close do we want the same cards? Also, I need to make sure that this is actually working for Cinderella. We need to draw Cinderella. Nope. 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 No. There she is. I found her. I done found her, I did. Like one time, don't take the cards from my hand. The Fox. Turn 2. All cards in your hand plus 2 attack power. Boom! 4-8. Dang! She's strong now. Right. Peasants in 4. Go. They got plus 2 also, didn't they? Didn't they? They should have. Ooh. Yep, they did. Ooh, brothel. Ooh, rough. Okay. Cinderella's at turn 5 now. Oh no. Oh no. Wow, it's a strong shoemaker. I don't have it. Oh, we do have a turn 4. Do I want to play Red Riding Hood? I can. She's still 6 power. That's pretty disgusting. Rumpelstilts. Alright. So, Cinderella should do this correctly. Ooh. It got blocked. Dang, the only way I wanted to test it, and it's like, haha, Ha 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 ha. Ah ha 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 ha. This game. Unreal. White Shroud. Rumpelstilts. Rumpelstilts. Cinderella. There she is. I found her. Magic Mirror. Playing a card here plays at another realm. Do it. Boom. I think Magic Mirror uses quick cards. I think it does. I think it does. I think it does. We're gonna play Fox over there. Spread our numbers out. Hansel. Oh, that's not good for us. Double Hansel's never good for us. And Tallest Tower. Oh my. Okay, let's buff the Fox. Right? An Enchanted Castle is not a bad one. We're gonna play Cinderella here. What did I do? Why are there so many Cinderellas? How? What happened here? What are you? What are all these cards? Why are there so many What? Why were there so many Cinderellas? Okay. What's up, Nate? How you doing, bud? Good to see you. How you been? What is going on here? This is so weird. Okay, so that's Rapunzel. That explains that one. Cinderella. How did I do that? Oh, I see what happened here. No, I don't see what happened here. If the player deck, play the stepmother, add it, reveal the cards. Oh, I'm overplaying the card. We need we need a reveal single card as opposed to reveal cards, right? We need a public enumerator. Reveal single card. Card C. Okay. It's literally just flipping action is true. And then we go into play cards. Nothing much to complain about. How about you? I'm doing great, man. Doing real good. Oh, do you hear it? Yeah, man, for sure. Okay, so let's go like this. Right? Bring you over here into single card reveal. Right? And then flipping action occurring. C dot this realm. Okay. Lock it, flip the card. Unactivate it. Oh, I see. No? What's happening here? What did I just do? Oh, that one. I see. I'm trying to figure out. So, I don't know if you know much about the card game we're working on, Nate. We are working on a game called World of Grimm. It is a fast card battler. see. It's about a 3 to 5 minute game. And you make a deck of 14 cards. And you have 6 turns to win 2 out of 3 locations. Realms. Locations, realms, areas, I don't know. Words are hard. See. This is the question here is, I reveal the card, does it, revealing a single card, do I choose whether it's been played? And if it has been played, do I allow that? Right? Those are the questions. Okay. So now we can reveal a single card instead of revealing all cards. Let's go back here. Yeah. Back to reality. Card. That guy. Okay. Cinderella. Reveal cards. Reveal single card. Start coroutine. That's one of our issues. Reveal single card. Okay. Start coroutine. I was already starting a coroutine. Hold on. Okay. Never played a card game before. Now it's a computer game. Oh, it's pretty cool. I'll show you in a second. Reveal single card. C. Then we remove it from the opponent's deck. Okay, that should fix that. Alright. Probably won't fix it. It's probably going to break something. Alright, so World of Grimm. Here it is. You have a level in the game. You can basically build decks. The decks are 14 card decks. You have a full deck building system with different decks and everything too. So you build whatever you want. Right? Each card does something different. Some cards don't do anything. Like this one, the fox always starts from your hand. So he's perfect. He's a perfect turn 1 play. Right? He has 1 mana cost, 1 health, 1 attack power. If your health drops to 0, your attack drops to 0. Right? Made for mobile based on aspect ratio? Yes. Well, mobile and Steam. It'll be both. On Steam, it'll have like bars on both sides. Okay, so some kind of design or whatever. There are cards in the game. There are 3 different types of cards in the game. There are cards that are persistent, like Gatekeeper. Right? A Gatekeeper is no 4, 5, or 6 mana cards can be played at that realm anymore. Right? There are also cards like Hans the Bean Farmer. Hans the Bean Farmer shuffles 5 magic beans into your deck on play. So when he's played, an effect happens. And then there are also cards that have a persistent ability. Like Father Holleth. You cannot play this card before turn 4. But he's also +5 attack power if it's the only card at that realm. So he has a channel ability. That +5 disappears if you play another card at that realm. So how the game works is it's literally 6 turns. First turn. Each turn a new realm reveals. Click on to see what's going on there instead. So Underworld lowest attack power here wins. I don't want to play anything there. Right? Let's play the fox here. End turn. Cards reveal. If you are winning the current match, you reveal first. If your card is not revealed and there's an ability that affects something on your side, it won't affect the card that's not revealed. So the Hollow discarded a random card from your hand. I don't know what I wasn't paying attention. I don't know what it was. So here's Hans Bean Farmer. We're going to shuffle some beans into our deck. Put it right here. He played it also. Looks like he's playing the same deck we are. How about that? Wishing Well added a random card to both sides. I got the Snake Prince. The Snake Prince summons 3 snakes in this realm with the same attack power. So I got 3 snakes. Right? They got Puss in Boots. Puss in Boots at the end of the turn, gain +1 attack power and give a random friendly card +1 health. Kind of screwed himself there. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna lose right side for sure. There's no way for me to really buff the snakes at this point because they're 0 cost cards. There's no way for me to bounce them back. I do have Alalera for the next turn to become a copy of a random card in your opponent's hand. So that's some good tracks. I cannot play Father Hollanth yet. This is not turn 4, so I'm going to end turn. See what he plays. Why didn't he turn some cards over? That's a bug. Okay. So here's a Magic Bean. Magic Beans got shuffled in your deck from Hans. So if you've played Hans Bean Farmer, give him +1 attack power for every Magic Bean you've played. So if you've played 4, he gives you, this gives you +4 attack for him that time. So basically, Hans Bean Farmer exponentially scales as you play the game. Right? Let's play Alalera, and let's play him here. Became Talking Cat. Oh, everything's going to reveal now. Why is there a Magic Bean and... Oh, you have Magic Beans too. Shoot. This is broken. Wishing Well broke, huh? Something broke because of Wishing Well. This is an AI you're playing against? Yeah. Yeah, so this is AI, 100%. AI actually knows it can read the cards that kind of got played as well. So the graveyard's a new realm. Add a 10 attack power, Undead Abomination to each side. Right? There he is. Let's see. Let's play the peasant over here just to be up a little bit. Now, cards like the Undead Abomination, there are cards that exist that kill anything that's more than 8 attack. Right? And like full out destroy the card. It doesn't turn its health to 0. So I can put, if I don't like my hand here, I can play Little Match Girl on left side, and it discards my hand and draws 3 cards. So I think I'm going to do that. So now we did get a bad draw. There's a Moonlit Lake, on play card effects trigger twice. Ungrateful Sun, we drew before turn 3, so his attack power is 0. If we draw him after turn 3, his attack power is 7. So he's a very strong 1-cost card, but right now he's useless. Golden Bird, cards in your hand cost 1 less mana next turn. We're going to play him. That's 2 less mana next turn, right? So it should be... He costs... So Hans will cost 1. Fucking Cat costs 3. Hans shuffles stuff in my deck. I think I got 10 beans in my deck. Right? Did I get 10 beans in my deck? It did. Wow. So now we need a card like Prince Ivan. So I think the Bean Farmer and Prince Ivan are very strong cards together. Rapunzel can steal a card for us. We have a chance to steal a Shoemaker, but it's... yeah, let's steal a Shoemaker. Mine. Thanks. And then we're going to play some beans. And Hansel. And finished off. So we are winning 2 locations right now. And if we win 2 locations at the end of turn 6, we have won the game. Right? Goose Girl will go down by 1. She's going to be at 7 because she's equal to the amount of cards in your deck. Right? So Goose Girl would be good in this deck too with Beans Farmer. See what happens. Magic Bean, buffing Hans. Cancel, puts Gretel in my hand. The giant comes in, we won. Woohoo! When we win, we get XP. It shows up here. And that's the game. Takes about, what, 3 to 5 minutes to play? It's not bad. Completely free to play. Unlocking cards as you go. 3-zone concept, pretty sweet. Yeah, I like it. So let's build I want to build a new deck. I have a lot of open spots, open decks that don't have anything. I want to build a deck that utilizes, go to deck, no, not deck one. Go to deck, I'll find a deck. Deck 4. We're going to call this, Ivan the Bean Man. How far off release you think you are? Seems to be becoming really long as it really becoming as long as it is. We are currently looking at maybe a June Kickstarter, maybe a little bit before that. That way we can get some funds to finish out the art, finish out and get Watery Turtle and music, among other things as well. You know, I mean, I want to get voiceovers for a bunch of the characters. So we need to make sure that we have the funds for that kind of stuff. So I think a Kickstarter for it. I know the game's free to play. So we're going to figure out other backer rewards as well. That might maybe give you extra quest slots. Or maybe you can help design a card. Right now there's about 75 cards in the game. About 70, or about 65-ish that are collectible. And I want to have 150 that are collectible by release. And then releasing more every month. Also want to have I want to have things like the adult version of Little Match Girl as a variant. Right? So like it's a cosmetic, a different card. But the exact same card, same ability, but different. Little Match Woman. Like stuff like that. Like I want a cute version of Snake Prince. Like a chibi, cute version of Snake Prince would be a cool card style instead, or a pixel art version of the Earl King. Right? Stuff like that. All right, so this is Ivan the Bean Man, which means we need to have the Bean Farmer in, but we also need Prince Ivan. This is our combo, right? Our combo is we play the Bean Farmer. Right? We put into Prince Ivan on turn 6. He plays all 1-mana cards from your deck at random realms. Well, if you have a bunch of 1-mana magic beans in your deck, Hans gets big. That's the goal, right? Goose Girl is good if we don't draw Prince Ivan. She's only good if we don't draw Prince Ivan. Because she has more cards in her deck than we expect to have, right? But like, is that a card that I want to include in this deck? I don't entirely know yet, right? Do we want it to be a Fury deck? I also don't know. But we do need more 1-cost cards. We want to flood the board with 1-costers, right? So we want cards like Ungrateful Son. If we don't draw him, he's going to be huge, right? Also, we want things like Beggar Woman for card draw to make sure we draw Prince Ivan. We need more 1-cost cards in this game. Thumbling is very strong, making the opponent's life hell. Faithful Henry sits in the deck and appears, so I don't know if we need him. Piff Paff Poultry would be good here, +1 attack power each time you play a card. If Prince Ivan plays cards, that means that Piff Paff Poultry gets big too. Right? So then, we can play things like Fraud King. All 1-mana cards at each realm get +1 attack power, so he's good in this deck. What else do you need? Mother Malcho wouldn't be bad here. Earl King's not. Mother Malcho is a random card in your hand. Your opponent's hand costs 1 less mana. I don't know if I want to give opponents that buff. I do think I want to gatekeep somebody. I'm really feeling that. Do I want to do Spinner? No. Sleeping Beauty could work here. Sleeping Beauty would kill Pet Fat Poultry. I don't want that. I think we want... What does Shepherd's Boy do again? If your opponent plays a card of this realm and its mana cost is higher than this card, draw a card. That's not bad. Endless Maiden makes things real cheap. The Huntsman's not a bad sniping card. We can always try to guess what the opponent's going to play and snipe them. Miller's Daughter. Guard a random card from your opponent's hand. It's a clutch card. That's a clutch card for if they have too many cards in their hand. 100%. Do we want King of the Birds? Your cards get +1 attack power? Yeah, we do. That's good. We want another 6-cost card in this deck? I don't think so. Snow Queen is strong, though. I don't think we want her in the deck. Swan Maiden is a 5-mana 9/7 on play. Writing a card is really impressive. Lots of room for interesting strats. You find it difficult to balance at all. It is a little difficult to balance, but you can. But as long as we add cards that counteract other cards, then we're good, right? There are cards out there that have a Fury keyword. Fury is when you take damage, do this, right? There's only 3 keywords in the game. There's on play, channel, and Fury. So in order to combat cards like Fury decks, because Fury decks can get really big, right? They can be huge. We have cards in there that benefit from that, right? We have Rumpelstiltskin, +2 attack power each time an opponent's card loses health. So that's literally combating Fury decks, and he's only a 2-mana card, and he gets big. There's another card too that benefits off of the opponent gaining health. Earl King, +1 attack power each time a card loses health. So Earl King gets big from anyone losing health. So Fury decks don't benefit from Earl King on the other side as well, right? Also, most Fury cards cost at least 3 mana, and Gatekeeper does stop people from playing 4 or higher mana. I think we did enough balance to it. Like, for instance, 7th Soldier's great. If you hurt him a bunch, he can get really big, because he has 6 health. However, he gets shut down pretty fast, right? Then we have cards like William Charming, who is an 8 attack 3 mana cost card. It's huge. But at the end of each turn, give a random card in your hand with +1 mana. Like, so he makes your rest of your cards bad, right? There's a lot of stuff that exists in this game. You can snipe cards with Huntsman. So if you play at the same realm as somebody else, Huntsman snipes them, brings their health to 0, and gains their attack. King Thrushbeard is going to be a good card for us in here. This card's attack power cannot be less than starting attack power. That's a good card for it. We need more 3 costs in this deck. Let's do... So Puss in Boots is just a solid card. Puss in Boots is a solid card. Red Riding Hood's pretty good too. Link to a random card of yours in this realm. That card gets +2 attack power. She's pretty clutch too. Shoemaker is good too. Is Shoemaker... When is Shoemaker better than Riding Hood? Right? Riding Hood gives you 6 power as your location. Right? If she's not alone. If she's alone, it's 4 power. If Shoemaker has 3 other cards, he's 6 power. So Shoemaker is almost worse at all times than Red Riding Hood. Unless Red Riding Hood's alone. But why would you ever play Red Riding Hood by yourself? They would take Red Riding Hood. Let's see here. Like, Corpse Bride I want to play, but I don't want Corpse Bride to be broken, because right now she's still not fixed. Right? Return a random card on the side of your realm to your hand. It costs 1. It's a really cool card and a really cool system, and she breaks the game right now. I cannot figure out how to return it to your hand without breaking the game. Pretty funny. Master Thief is great. Steal +1 mana from your opponent next turn. So literally, Master Thief takes a mana from your opponent next turn. So that means if it's turn 3 and you play Master Thief, The next turn for you, turn 4, you have 5 mana, and they have 2 mana, and they have 3 mana again, because they don't get 4 mana that turn. It resets for them the next turn, but you literally steal mana from them. So is he strong for -3? Possibly. Should he be more like -6? Probably. Right? I think we need. Do we need one more? We could use another one or two drop. And console is just clutch, man. Console's clutch. Tom Thumb is clutch too. Draw a 3 mana card from your opponent's deck. Singing Bone. Here's Little Tailor. Destroy all opponent cards of this run with 8 or more attack power. He's pretty strong. That's our deck. There we go. Ivan the Bean Man. So the goal in this deck is to play Hans and then play Ivan. And Hans just got shuffled back into your deck. Oh, he pulled him again. Cool. So now we need to draw Ivan, which means we might need to put the Woodcutter in this deck, so the Woodcutter draws the highest power attack card, and we make sure that Ivan is the highest power attack card. That might be our play here. So Hans, we'll shuffle beans in our deck. And there's the graveyard, adding the Undead Abomination, which we can zap with Little Tailor. That's actually cool. So if we Little Tailor this, it zaps their Undead Abomination. Pow! Right, they kill it. No? Why didn't they kill it? Why didn't they kill it? Destroy all opponent cards in this realm with 8 or more attack power. It did not kill the Undead Abomination. He has 10. Now I'm confused. Does Little Tailor not know where he sits? Okay, so Little Tailor's busted. So that's fun. Intent for this to be PvP? Yes. Also, having the Kickstarter, I can hire a network manager, and we can do PvP and ladders and stuff like that. But yes, the intent is to have PvP and also a fair amount of bots, so it also feels like there is a solid amount of people playing the game at all time. But the bots have varying levels of AI. So some of them will be really good. Some will know that they're going to lose, and they'll like concede early. All that stuff. We have a bug though. The bug is Little Tailor does not kill Undead Abominations. Placed on right row. Sounds sweet? Yeah. I mean, the networking part is going to take longer if I have to do it. If I hire a network manager or a network engineer, it will be a lot faster because honestly, there's nothing that happens at the same time. All it's checking for is, did you both push end turn? And if you both pushed end turn, reveal it on your own speed. Right? I don't have to do anything else in particular. And just, if you reveal it, send these cards to the other person's game on the opponent's realm. Right? Like, it's not going to be that hard, I don't think, to do this because it's no in-game chat. I don't think so. I don't like in-game chat. Maybe we can emote at each other. Make a thumb up. In-game chat's annoying. Maybe I would love to do like a photon chat with like friends, where you can add friends on Steam or whatever. In-game chat's annoying. It's annoying, especially when you play card games like this. On constant messages back and forth since the deal network. Yeah, we need to make sure the person's not cheating, right? Which that means that all of the cards have to sit on server side and not on client side, which is totally fine and totally doable. I don't like that I play Little Tailor here and he didn't kill him. He should be dead. Also, Guar is exactly the sound I expect this thing to make. Okay, so let's play more beans. And we'll play red cap. Red cap +4 attack if there's 4 cards here. Okay, that gives us some variance. Shroud. Shroud killed his undead abomination. Oh, thanks. That helped. So Shroud killed undead abomination. So again, 0 health equals 0 attack. Right? The Shroud, or the White Shroud, a random card on your side gets +2 attack and -2 health. So he gets buffed. So he actually has 12 power, but he has 0 health. Womp womp. White Shroud is good in a Fury deck. Right? So let's see here. What do we want to play turn 5? A Magic Bean? We didn't get Prince Ivan yet, did we? Are we going to draw him at all? Dude, there's so many beans in my deck. Where's Prince Ivan? I don't even see him. Oh snap, did he not get drawn? Did he get discarded somehow? He's not in anyone. He's not anywhere. That's weird. I thought he was supposed to be in this deck. Oh, there he is. Number 10. Yes, we're not going to get him. Alright. Let's play Alalera and Magic Bean. Alalera. Magic Bean's going to go here. Ooh, Cinderella. This should put the stepmother there. There she is. So Cinderella plays the stepmother on the other side. She's 1 power weaker, but has more health. I don't know. I think in-game chat in card games is annoying. It's one of those things. I mean, maybe it could be good. I feel like all it's going to be is you telling people they suck, or people telling you that you suck constantly, right? Like, oh yeah, you suck. You would have played that. What a chump, or whatever. Expletive, 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 right? I think that would constantly happen. All right, so do we have Snow Queen here? Does Snow Queen win us the game? So let's say we don't know this deck. But let's say they have the Giant. The Giant's 11 power. The Giant wins 1 location for them. I already have control of Graveyard. That's done. Right? I could play Little Mermaid, swap the attack and value cards of all the cards of this realm. Swapping attack and value kills the Shroud. The Shroud's... he doesn't contribute anything anyway. What did Red Riding Hood buff? I guess she didn't buff anything. Maybe you've seen the potential community building aspect too, which is a big reason people play with randoms online. Trash talk would always happen. I mean, I think it'd be fair to add friends and you can only chat with friends. That should be fair. Right? I think there's nothing wrong with that. That will make people add you as a friend after a match and then trash talk you. But that's you accepting their friend request, right? So that's that there. But there is pros and cons to chat. I think having chat's a good thing. I think it's also not. All right, so if we Snow Queen here, if we Snow Queen left, we have a higher chance of... Actually, you know what? If we Snow Queen mid, red cap goes to 6. So this is 10 power. That's 18. Could always turn it off? That's true. We could always turn it off. Alright, so let's Snow Queen. We reveal first. Huntsman? Okay, it's a good thing I didn't play here. Because if I played here, Huntsman would have killed Snow Queen. But I still won. Yeah, buddy. It didn't give us the ability that we wanted, though. We still want the... Ooh, bad draw. Alright. Let's play Thumbling. We still want Prince Ivan. Like, we need the Prince Ivan Hans Bean Farmer combo. Is that a hard combo to get with 14 cards in the game? Yeah. But we just got Hans Bean Farmer. So let's go. Honestly, having Ivan and Hans in the starting hand would be ideal. Because now it's a harder chance for us to get this combo. Where is he? Wait. I played the Bean Farmer. How come I don't have beans? There's no beans in my deck? See, now I'm mega confused. I thought that's what that does. It's not even in my deck. What? That was the wrong deck. Figure that one out. Ivan the Bean Man. That's the deck. Okay, so if we make Ivan the strongest card and we remove Thrushbeard, we can put Woodcutter in the deck to draw Ivan. Right? Unless we draw Ungrateful Son. Okay, so that would mean Ungrateful Son can't be in our deck. So if he can't be in our deck, that means we need to put something like... Father Holland. It's not a bad card there. Okay. Let's try it. Alright, so we got Woodcutter to draw Prince Ivan. Now we just need the Bean Farmer. Alright, Somali Mountain. Excuse me. As the first person to fill this realm adds a random 6 mana card to their hand, it costs 0. That's strong. I don't have a turn 1 play. I need to also make it so the AI targets Somali Mountain until the ability is not active anymore. That sucks. Let's try that again. Damn treasure trove. All things, man. Okay, we don't have anything playable right now. Whoa. That was intense. Wishing Well through Cinderella, so we have 2 cards already on this side. Thumbling it is. I can't wait for all the VFX here, too. I think we, like, one of the things we would need to do, that's great. Give all cards in your hand plus 2 attack power. That's awesome. One of the things we definitely need to do in this game is we need to hire a VFX manager, right? Or a VFX editor, or whatever. VFX animator. So that cards like Thumbling do something to increase the mana of a card in that person's hand. So it's just like attacks the name over here, right? Or like the Huntsman actually shoots, like a blunderbuss comes out and fires across and hits the entire location to take everything, right? So let's play Piff Paff. Piff Paff is going to be strong here. We're going to get a lot of draw out of him, right? Frog King buffed everyone who had 1 mana, or who was 1 mana. There's Somali Mountain. We're going to gatekeep it. Definitely going to gatekeep it. 100%. Rumpelstiltskin, huh? So Rumply Bumply is giving me some issues, I think. I don't know why. We're going to play Miller's Daughter. More than 4 cards double, so it's not going to be worth it yet. Alright, let's play Puss in Boots. Ah! Broken AI. No. Bad AI. Bad. Bad AI. No. AI does not know when Gatekeeper is in play. Alright. So we Woodcutter this turn. We've already played the Bean Farmer. No, we didn't play the Bean Farmer. Shoot. We're still gonna play Prince Ivan next turn. Let's see what happens, shall we? We have a chance to win. I should have played Woodcutter here and got a free 6 cost card, and I didn't. Oh, I can't play him there. Why did it just let me? That was weird. Alright. Prince Ivan. Tiger Woman, Father Hollanth, and we ended up winning. Oh, we got real close to not winning. We tied right. Whew. Okay. What's up, Notefish? How you doing? Look, Piff Paff got to 9. That's big. That was a good run. Okay. Well, we played this part, but we didn't get the Bean Farmer into Ivan. Wanted that. Alright guys, be right back. You ate the most tasty burger, as it was called in the restaurant? No fish. How good was it? Was it really that good of a burger? We need to display what deck we're playing in the main menu. Main menu needs to display what deck, right? Edit decks. Buttons. I don't want to be in the buttons. Separate spot. I want to go. Give me a deck. Collection deck. I think it was good. Not sure if it was the best. I gotcha. The collection deck. Okay. I definitely don't want it to be a clickables collection deck. Okay. Definitely want to still be able to. I don't need to be able to hover it. It needs to be on all the time. 0. And we'll do center. For now, it's not in a good spot for it, but it's okay. Nostalgic tunes? Yes. Hi, Leo. Just randomly started purring as loud as possible. Good morning, Leo. Did you have a good nap? You have a good nap? Yeah? You're purring very loud right now. Let me see if I can get him on camera. Oh, stop. Can you guys hear him? Can you hear the purring? Good kitty. He's a big cat, man. I think 2 cats live in Russia still. He's purring pretty loud right now. He has asthma. Every once in a while he goes through a coughing fit. He loves this though. Neck scratches. Oh yeah. Oh, that's the spot. Oh, right there is the spot. Yeah. He's a big cat. Yeah, he is a big cat. Yeah, the Maine Coons are huge. Good kitty. Buddy. Good kitty cat. You're actually being really quiet right now with your purrs. I can hold this cat all day, man. He's great. Except for he's like 10 pounds, so he like starts to weigh on you for a little bit after it. Look at this face. What cat likes this? No cat likes it. He's like, stop that. Sorry, put your nails away. Down you go. Shit's like a monster. Hi, Penny. Here's my other cat. What do you want? Meow. Meow. They're funny, man. There's some funny cats. Alright, so this is the main menu collection deck, which means we need to show what deck is currently active. Right, so, in the mouth. Fun stuff. Alright, so let's do a collection deck. This is active deck. Active deck display. Oops. Cool. Active deck display, so wherever this level display gets set. Sometimes it's an Armenian van. Part is the cat's white and orange color. Oh, nice. Cats are, the kids are being ridiculous and loud. Loves water? Mine does too. The one I was holding. The one I was holding used to sit in the shower with me behind the. So I used to have a tub shower, and so he used to sit between the shower curtain, like the inside shower curtain, and the wall of the tub, so he wouldn't get wet except for his feet. He would just jump into the tub behind the behind the plastic curtain, so that he wouldn't get hit with water on his face, and he would just sit in the bathtub. Real weird animal. He was my shower buddy for the longest time. Now he like stands guard when I shower. Funny. Okay. Start a new match. It's the active deck. Active deck is start, load deck. Okay, load deck, get in current deck, active deck is D, if game manager dot current scene, current state, string current scene is going to be scene manager dot get active scene dot name. So game manager at current scene equals game manager main menu. You just make almost the same thing. Yeah, they're wild, man. The other cat is gray with stripes. He's like a superstar. Everyone loves him because he's really beautiful. That's awesome. Yeah, I just have a pure gray one that has a white belly, but she's like a dog. Like both my cats are like dogs. They want to be around you. They want to cuddle on the couch. They drink water out of the dog bowl. They only eat dry food like dogs. They're very dog-liking as a cat. It's a very interesting part of life, right? Okay, so current scene is main menu. If that's true, we will grab the main menu manager, find object of type, main menu. Oh, where's my load on scene load? On scene load is not here. Game turn manager? No, it's game manager. On scene loaded. Fading the scene. Dog like, yeah. No, I mean I have 3 dogs too. So, like the cats have learned from the dogs how to behave. Pretty funny. All right, so collect active deck equals the dot deck was D. Active display dot deck name dot text equals D dot deck name. Okay. Should work. Load deck only in deck cache manager ons. This is going to be an on scene loaded. We're going to have to load this somewhere else. Right? We want this every time we get back to the main menu. We want the deck cache manager to load deck. Every time. Deck cache manager load deck. Is that gonna break it? Maybe. Good morning, Brianna. How you doing? What I wanted. Did it break? It did break. I don't have references set. I knew that. Main menu, collection deck. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. Ivan the Bean Man, sweet. Okay. Bark, 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 bark. You hear that dog upstairs? He loud. She big loud. Alright, so we need to go here, and then to here. And then we need to do the one pointer enter, one pointer exit. It needs to be if animate. Bool animate equals true. If not animate, turn. Right? Here. Cool. So then we can just go here and turn off animate on that one. No, Ivan the Bean Man has been saved. You know that's the deck you're about to play. Is that true? That's the deck we're playing? Yes, it is. Nice. So now, question is, do I go into edit decks and pick a different deck? Does that change back in the main menu? Right? That's now our thing to find out about. Let's go and play WWWWS. Nice. Ah, looks good. Looks good. So now we need a way to click and change your deck in the main menu. That's our next thing. Right? That's our next thing. Click to change our deck on the fly. And we should only show decks that are valid when you click here. Right? That way you don't pick invalid decks, because I can go here and I can pick a deck that's not finished. Right? If I go in here and I pick an unfinished deck, like new deck 5, and I call it unfinished, woe is me, right? We go back, invalid deck. Cool. That works. But now you should be able to click on this. When you click on this, some screen should show up that lets you scroll through the different decks sideways or vertically and pick the deck you want to play. Right? Also, do we allow for you to play the game from the deck collection screen? I like that. It's not a necessary thing, but I do like it. We're getting there though. We're getting very close to like an alpha build 1. I wouldn't even call it alpha build. I would just say pre-release build or like a pre-alpha build. We do have some bugs. Let's fix the gatekeeper bug real fast for AI. It's a quick little bug. I want to add in my to-dos. It's what's it called? It was add deck selection in main menu of only finished decks. No, you know what? It should be of all decks. Because that's if you're like, where's that deck I just made? And you're like, why isn't it working? There's something wrong. I can't find the deck. Let's get rid of that as a problem, right? It's just not even a thing. Okay, so AI Gatekeeper would be in the deck manager, and when the AI plays cards, which is somewhere in here, there he is. AI play card. Right here. Playable cards. Right? We have a list here. If Father Holland, okay. We have playable cards. Pick a playable card. AI play card. Okay. So now we have it. We're in the POIs. Fail this, right? If Underworld, remove it. If let's see, C dot card data dot name placer equals gatekeeper. No wait, what music is this? It should be on the top. It is the song from Culling the Balance, a game we played, a game we made back Lim Dare 43, which is I don't know, 7, 8 things ago. Watery Tart made it. It's such a relaxing track. It's funny because that game's about sacrificing your people of your cult. So I love that it's like this relaxing track. It's perfect. Card games, Gatekeeper. No, not Gatekeeper. This needs to see if. Got it. If C dot mana cost, right? C dot mana cost is greater than 3, and no, you know what? If available POIs dot has card exists here, Gatekeeper. Got it. Cool. If C.mana costs 3, available POIs, remove that. Now you can't play that spot there, right? Don't drink the juice. It has the juice. Corn. Alright, so Gatekeeper's in. So the AI will not play that anymore. Why doesn't Little Taylor kill the Abomination? Why doesn't Little Taylor kill the Abomination? That's the biggest thing, right? Let's see here. Huh. Hard. Little Taylor. Our fastest way to get the Little Taylor is to go here. There. There. Cards on the other side of this The total attack power is greater than or equal to 8. Then we go through and we destroy the cards. Oh, we're only doing played this game. Aha, aha. You need to also check the other side. So, okay, so now we can do if owner deck equals game turn manager player deck. We do another for loop. Right, and we do all cards played this turn opponent. Or she. Cool. And then we do the same thing for the opponent deck. We do all cards played this turn. Player. Looks right to me. Go. Alright, Little Taylor's fixed. Alright guys, well with that, I'm hungry. Time to get going. Thanks so much for hanging out today, much appreciated. Super fun. I had a blast. Got a lot done today. Game's starting to look real good. Real nice. Let's see who's live on the internet, shall we? Who can we go raid? Live again tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Hogwarts Legacy Day, I think. And also starts the Crascation. No game dev all next week. Playing games every morning on stream. There's no game dev. But if you're there every day, you'll be entered into a raffle for a $5 Steam card, as well as an entire Static City collection giveaway. Let's go raid somebody. Let's go over to Incarnate. Incarnate is a super cool dude working on a project called Project Demi, which looks amazing. So we're gonna go raid him. Here's the raid message. And until next time, guys, I love you and I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday. Peace out. Catch you later.